Seniors, what if you could wake up each morning with sharper vision, eyes that feel refreshed, and a clarity you haven't experienced in years? Every year, billions are spent on eye supplements, new glasses, and costly treatments, while big pharma and clinics continue to profit. The surprising truth is that the solution may have been sitting in your fridge all along. Vision loss is not an inevitable part of aging blurry nights. Dry eyes and hazy mornings are not something you have to accept. Research now shows that 8 specific foods eaten at the right time before bed can trigger your eye's natural repair processes while you sleep. And yet this simple approach remains largely unknown, because eyes that heal naturally don't require expensive prescriptions, keeping consumers coming back for treatments that may not even be necessary. Most seniors wake up to gritty, dry eyes. Streetlights blur, reading becomes exhausting, and night driving can turn terrifying. Vision loss isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. It's one of the leading causes of older adults losing independence. But this countdown could change everything. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal 8 powerful foods, ranked from least to most effective, that can help reverse age-related vision damage starting tonight. The top food is backed by a study showing a 53% reduction in vision loss over a decade. Let's start with sweet potatoes. Nearly everyone overlooks this orange root, but it contains a unique form of beta-carotene that your body converts into vitamin A during sleep cycles. 1 cup of sweet potatoes delivers 21,000 international units of vitamin A, one of the most concentrated sources in nature. When consumed before bed, your liver processes the beta-carotene and sends it to your retinal tissue, where specialized retinal pigment epithelial cells use it to regenerate rhodopsin, the protein that allows you to see in low light. A study from the University of Wisconsin tracked 300 seniors over 6 months, and those who ate sweet potatoes 4 times per week experienced a 32% improvement in contrast sensitivity and a 28% reduction in night blindness symptoms. The benefits are maximized during REM sleep, when blood flow to the eyes increases by 40%, helping repair microscopic damage to the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. The correct preparation is essential. Steam or bake sweet potatoes with the skin on for 35 to 40 minutes at 375 to preserve heat-sensitive compounds and improve absorption. Adding a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter increases bioavailability by 400%. Since beta-carotene is fat-soluble, eat 1 medium sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed with the skin on. Avoid microwaving, which destroys up to 60% of the beneficial compounds. Next is wild-caught salmon. This fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, working like a repair crew for aging eyes during sleep. DHA, a fatty acid in salmon, makes up 60% of the retina's fatty acids. The body uses it at night to replace damaged photoreceptor cells. Salmon contains 4,000 milligrams of omega-3 sal per serving, and astaxanthin provides protection against blue light damage. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 850 seniors over 2 years and found that eating wild salmon twice weekly reduced the risk of advanced macular degeneration by 68%. Those who ate it before bed experienced a 74% improvement in tear production and a 56% reduction in dry eye symptoms. Wild-caught salmon is far superior to farmed, containing 5 times more astaxanthin and 40% more omega-3 sal. Consume 4 ounces about 2 hours before sleep. Lightly seasoned with turmeric and black pepper to boost anti-inflammatory effects, bake at 325 until it flakes easily, avoiding overcooking. Pairing it with a small portion of quinoa or brown rice helps stabilize blood sugar and prevent inflammatory spikes that could damage retinal blood vessels. Goji berries are next. These small red berries from the Himalayas have been used for over 2,000 years in tradidas, Chinese medicine for eye health. Modern studies reveal why. Goji berries contain the highest concentration of zeaxanthin found in any food, 15 times more than other sources. Zeaxanthin accumulates in the macula during sleep, creating a protective shield against age-related damage. Each ounce delivers 28 milligrams of zeaxanthin, and studies from the Beijing Institute of Ophthalmology show that seniors who consumed goji berries daily for 90 days increased macular pigment density by 26% and improved visual acuity. By 2 lines on the standard eye chart, evening consumption yields 40% better results than morning intake. To maximize absorption, scoop 1 ounce of organic goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes, or mix into plain Greek yogurt. And avoid green tea or coffee, which block absorption by up to 70%. Pair with a tablespoon of raw almonds for vitamin E, which works synergistically to protect retinal cells. Organic egg yolks are another powerhouse. They provide highly bioavailable lutein and zeaxanthin, absorbed 5 times more efficiently than plant sources. Deep orange yolks from pasture-raised chickens contain 12 times more lutein than conventional eggs. Consuming 2 organic yolks 60 to 90 minutes before sleep allows these nutrients to accumulate in the macula, filtering harmful light. A Tufts University study with 200 seniors over 12 weeks found that eating 2 yolks before bed increased macular pigment density by 38%, improved contrast sensitivity by 42%, and reduced glare sensitivity by 51%. Cooking should be soft at low heat for no more than 3 minutes, ideally with grass-fed butter or ghee to preserve delicate nutrients. Avoid high heat, hard cooking, cheese, or milk, which interfere with absorption. Bilberries have been revered for their night vision benefits since World War II, when British pilots consumed them to enhance sight. Modern research confirms that anthocyanins in bilberries regenerate rhodopsin and retinal cells 3 times faster than other sources. European Journal of Ophthalmology. Studies with 400 seniors show that nightly bilberry consumption reduced macular degeneration progression by 73%, improved night vision by 67%, reduced eye fatigue by 49%, and allowed some participants to read without glasses for the first time in years. Consume a 1/4 cup of fresh bilberries or a standardized extract 2 hours before bedtime on an empty stomach or with a small portion of plain yogurt to optimize absorption. Avoid citrus or vitamin C supplements which degrade anthocyanins. Pairing with raw walnuts enhances anti-inflammatory effects. Black currants are next. With the highest vitamin C and GLA content of any fruit, this combination rebuilds collagen in the cornea and strengthens retinal blood vessels. Each cup provides 300 milligrams vitamin C and 800 milligrams GLA. In studies from King's College London showed that nightly consumption improved visual acuity by 45% and reduced intraocular pressure by 32%, particularly benefiting those with early-stage glaucoma. Eat half a cup of fresh currants or 2 tablespoons of black. Saffron is the penultimate superfood. Containing crocin and quercetin, it can reverse age-related macular degeneration by regenerating photoreceptor cells. Studies from the University of Rome show that just 20 milligrams nightly improves retinol sensitivity by up to 80% within 90 days. Steep saffron threads in warm milk at 144-15 minutes, then consume an hour before bed. The milk's fat protects the compounds through digestion, and lying down within 90 minutes increases blood flow to the eyes, enhancing effectiveness. Avoid overheating saffron and choose high-quality Spanish or Kashmiri threads for maximum benefit. Finally, the most powerful food is raw cacao, containing a pixin, flavanol, that increases retinal blood flow by 150% and triggers new mitochondria production in aging photoreceptor cells. Raw cacao is transformative. Harvard studies show that consuming raw cacao before bed for 16 weeks improved visual processing speed by 91%. Increased retinal thickness by 12%, and reversed vision loss in 82% of participants with diabetic retinopathy. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao with warm unsweetened cashew milk at 110. A pinch of cinnamon and cayenne pepper for optimal absorption, consumed 45 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. Use certified organic unroasted cacao with at least 12% fat, avoiding Dutch processed powders. Add a teaspoon of MCT or coconut oil to maintain therapeutic blood levels through the night. When these 8 foods are properly timed and prepared, they create a synergistic effect that can transform vision health. Start by incorporating the top 3 foods and gradually add others as your body adapts to increased nutrient density. Consistency matters more than perfection, and even just the number 1 food, raw cacao, can produce noticeable improvements within 2 to 3 weeks. Share in the comments which foods have helped or hurt your vision, or any experiences with changing your diet before bed to improve eyesight. We read and reply to every comment with personalized tips.